So if you've ever thought about actually starting a YouTube channel, just hit record. I'm recording on my iPhone right now in my car. For the longest time, I used to sit and write all these, scripts and looking at gear, the right camera, right lens, and I got nowhere. I am the master of procrastination, literally a black belt. But what I realized was I'm kind of missing out because every time I don't press record, I am just pushing my results back, right? What I could achieve back. So here's what I recommend you do. First of all, just pick your camera of choice. In my case, it's my iPhone 12. It's an old one. I don't have a brand new phone. I use a wireless mic right here. It looks like this. This kind of thing goes into your USB or Lightning port. There's one for each in my little kit, and an extra kind of microphone. And it's easy to use, right? If you don't have that, just use any mic. Your earpods will work just fine. And here's what I recommend. Just come up with a topic based on the niche that you've selected. Maybe you're into fitness. Maybe you're into lifestyle design. Maybe you're into architectural stuff, like interior design or true crime, whatever, it doesn't matter. But whatever it is that you choose, pick one topic, okay? And I recommend that you list out like 20 to 30 different topics if you can over time. You don't have to do it like right now, but I'm sure that there's like one or two things that's probably that you've been thinking about regarding your topic, and just go ahead and deep dive a little bit into that. One topic. I recommend that you take that topic and maybe create 3 to 5 bullet points. So no more, because then it starts getting unwieldy to talk about. And if you need something more substantial, like something beyond bullet points, that's fine. Write a small outline beneath each bullet point, or write a script. And then just hit record. Because if you're unsure about getting started on YouTube, getting your first recording out of the way and published is going to clear your mind. And I published a dozen videos now, and for this channel I published over 120 shorts in the last 5 months for another channel, and that's been going okay. But the point is, just take massive action. So once you've written out your bullets or your outline, or even your script if you need a script, then just go ahead and take that, maybe practice it a few times, right? If you're nervous about speaking to the camera, and just hit record. I mean, the sooner you get it done and the sooner you upload, the better you're gonna feel. And you can move on to the next thing. The first video isn't the be all end all. It's just the beginning. And chances are that not a lot of people are going to see it, okay? So it's just for practice, and just keep posting videos. And once you've done that a bunch of times, you can start to gel the topics. And one of the things that I hear all the time is, but what if I'm talking about the topic in the beginning that I really want to talk about, and I use up the topic, right? That's okay. The first few videos, talk about it. Once you're 20, 30, 50 videos down the line, talk about it again. I bet you anything, you have fresh perspective, and you're going to be more articulate, and you can express yourself in a much better way. So it's you're never using up topics. It's not like once you've used it, you can never come back to that topic. And if it's more like evergreen content, then it doesn't matter. So what are the steps? Number one, pick a topic. Okay. Don't pick 20, just pick one. Take that topic and divide it into like 3 to 5 bullet points. Take that and then create your video. It's literally that simple. And if you need to practice, just practice. Talk to the camera and get used to talking to the lens. You know, right now I'm looking right at the lens. I'm not using the selfie side of the camera. And it takes a little bit getting used to because it feels weird, you know, to like sit and stare at the lens. But anyway, I gotta go. My daughter's walking off right now, just making this in the car real quick. So I'll talk to you later.